What is your name?
My name is Shomaditya Mondol.
And what is your name?
My name is Shreyoshi Das.
আচ্ছা, তুমি কোন ক্লাসে পড়ো?
I read in class 7.
আর তুমি?
Class 5.
তোমাকে একটা কোয়েশ্চেন জিজ্ঞেস করছি। বলো, হু ওয়াজ দ্য ফাদার অফ ইন্টারনেট? চার্লস ব্যাবেজ, উইন্ড শার্ফ, ডেনিস রিচ, মার্টিন কুপার?
Wind Sharf.
Right. Verification is a process of access, login, logout, authentication. What is full form of GUI in terms of computers? Graphical user instrument, graphical unified interface, graphical unified instrument, graphical user interface.
Graphical user interface.
Right. What is Linux? Malware, operating system, application program, firmware?
Operating system.
Right. Which operations are performed by RAM? Read, write, read and write, depends on computer.
Read and write.
Right. USB is which type of storage device?
Tertiary.
Right. WWW stands for options. World whole web, wide world web, web world web, wide world wide web.
World Wide Web.
Right. Where is RAM located? Expansion board, external drive, motherboard, all of above?
Motherboard.
Right. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as uniprocess, multiprocessor, multi-threaded, multi-programming.
Multi-programming.
Wrong. এটার অ্যান্সার হবে মাল্টিপ্রসেসর। আচ্ছা, এবার তুমি বলবে। ROM is non-volatile. True or false?
True.
Right. Random access memory is which storage of device? Primary, secondary, tertiary, offline?
Primary.
Right. Verification is a process of access, login, logout, authentication.
Authentication.
Right. এবার তুমি বলো, what is Linux? Malware, operating system, application program, firmware?
Operating system.
Right.
ROM is non-volatile. True or false?
ROM is non-volatile.
True. Right. Random access memory, RAM, is which storage of device? Primary, secondary, tertiary, offline?
Tertiary.
Wrong. This.
What's your name?
Shomaditya Mondol.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 7.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is the Central Modern School.
In which institute you learn computer?
I learned computer from Hello World Computer Institute.
Okay. What is the name of the sir?
The name of my teacher is Abdus Salam.
Okay. Today I will ask you some questions based on computer. BIO is used for
Loading operating system.
yes, right. 1 megabyte is equal to
Options.
1024 bytes, 1024 kilobytes, 1024 gigabytes, 1024 bits.
1024 kilobytes.
Yes. A electronic path that sends signals from one part of computer to another is
Options.
Logic gate, modem, bus, serial port.
Logic gate.
No, bus. Wrong answer. Microsoft Office is type of.
Application software.
Okay, great. A wireless technology built in electronic gadgets used for exchanging data over short distance is
Option.
Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, modem, USB.
Bluetooth.
Yes, correct.